Hi, today I'm going to discuss the long run economic growth and I'm going to answer a crucial question why some countries are poor while other countries are rich. So let's begin. So long run economic growth is an increase in economy's productive capacity typically measured by an increase of real GDP per capita. Key factors are productivity, domestic savings and investments, foreign savings and investments, education, and research and development. So I chose two countries, Germany and Zimbabwe, so let's compare them. Productivity. Output per hour worked is $82.5 per hour for 2023 according to our world data, so all sources that I used are really reliable and trustworthy and many economists are using them. R&D, 5,787 researchers per million for 2023. Gross domestic investment, 20.8% of GDP for 2024. Gross domestic savings, 24.9% of GDP for 2024. Foreign investments, FDI, 1.02% of GDP for 2024. Human capital index, 0.75 for 2020. Human capital index estimates how productive a child born today will be as an adult based on the country's current education and health outcomes relative to full health and complete schooling. What about Zimbabwe? Productivity. Output per hour worked is $4 per hour for 2023. R&D, no data provided, which means there's few researchers for whole country, which it explains why country doesn't develop. The government doesn't see like any solutions to increase output per worker, doesn't seek any technological advancements. Gross domestic investments is 8% of GDP for 2024. Gross domestic savings 3.5% of GDP for 2024. Foreign investments FDI 1.35% of GDP for 2024. And human capital index 0.47 for 2020. Uh, in conclusion, I want to say that the long run economic growth depends on many factors. However, the most important is that the countries that invest in resources and technologies, education, and encourage workers to produce more output are tend to have large GDP per capita. So I use statistics to provide the best example, the comparison between like two best countries for my opinion, Germany and Zimbabwe. As we can see, all statistics except foreign investments are larger than for Germany rather than in Zimbabwe. But like foreign investments are not so crucial as a domestic one. So all I wanted to say, thank you for your attention.